Hi, it's Julien Barker here, and we are in our new team outfits here. Laura's in a fantastic pink one as well, they're wiggling behind the camera. So we're out of scrubs, finally, yay! Okay, so just chatting with Maddi, you've been bowling, 10-pin bowling, and it's kind of the same, so you've got natural leg pain and posterior leg pain, kind of done the slinky hip thing, swinging the ball, and then there's a place called Valley of the Rocks in Devon here, which is it's quite a tough coastal path, and if it's not up, it's down, and it's a constant trip hazard.
Great for goats.
And it's great if you're a goat. That is very true. Great if you're a goat. So we'll run through that, and also I'll pay particular attention to L3, which tends to come up with time of month stuff. There we go. Good. So jump up. Yeah. So smart. There we go. Activator ready and go. Up to the right height. If you notice, I do this little thing with my hip, and so I've worked out the couch is the right height for me, and you just kind of measure it. So I just get it right quickly. Holy moly, okay, so. Whoa, okay, so we have Maddi being a possibility 2. I think that's nice and clear there. So probably close to ½ centimetre short, and it definitely drops away big start on there. So we go straight to lumbar 4. So left hand up behind your back, both hands up behind your back together. Okay, arm back down by side. So L4 right, L2 on the left. There's a torsion which will just upset everything. Shout out to those who are watching these videos for the purposes of actually learning this and training. And this is not my phrase, this comes from our mentor. Every master was once a disaster. Wow, there we go. There we go. Massive difference straight away, straight to possibility 1. Now, if that happens and you want to go back, normally with possibility 4, you go for, with possibility 2, you go from lumbar 4 upwards. But if you do see that change and you've adjusted somebody, don't be afraid of going below the L4, but just be careful and be choice about which adjustments you do, because if you do too many, you're going to make them really, really sore. So don't do that, but feel free as if you can go below that level. So right hand up by your face. Big deep breath in and out. Left hand up as well. And both back down by sides. Turn your head to the right. Lift the right shoulder off the couch, back down. And the T6 superior. Shrug both shoulders up towards your ears and back down. Squeeze right elbow and let go. Squeeze left and let go. And a very clear right medial scapula. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Head back into the centre. Okay. So if you find that superior thing, if you're going beyond the 90 in position 1, it is almost certain when you get your finger on it, that vertebra is going to be tender. Be nice, set in 2, don't dig in too much. Use your fingers to stabilise and do the adjustment. Those direct onto the spinous process adjustments feel solid. Bowling arm. Okay, just lift up your head and back down. Do that again, lift up head, back down. Yep, C5, tuck your chin down to your chest, back to centre. Push face down into the couch and let go. Stretch your right hand to right knee and let go. Left hand, left knee and let go. Okay, so slight tuck of the chin down to the chest. C5, 2, 3, 4, 5, centre. If Maddi hadn't said anything to me before, I would be saying, you know, this is completely not your normal pattern. What the hell happened? But there we go. Turn head left. Head back into the centre. Turn your head to the right. Look down at your right shoulder. Head back into the centre. Okay, so let's have a run through all things left leg. I tend to just do it from the bottom to the top. Yep, into the posterior tibia. Which is sensitive enough, and setting two, straight into that hamstring tendon. Okay. Lateral symptomatology can come with either a lateral GT, that would be a yes, and sometimes iliotibial band in activator known as the TFL, but it's a lateral, so an irritation. You get these with bursitis as well. Tell me when I'm on it. It's tender. Yeah, there we go. Okay, setting three, shall we? Don't lean in too much. Definitely make sure you get the ramp and hold effect, so holding it to get all the vibration through. Push both knees down into the couch and let go. Lift both hips up off the couch together, back down. Okay, keeping the right leg straight, lift it up off the couch as far as it comfortably wants to go. Back down, same on the other side. Yeah, going back down. Okay, it's about the same actually. Clinical choice there is that's not wildly different. It is a possibility too. I've done quite a lot of adjustment below that L4 level. Stop there, don't push your luck. Yeah, brilliant. Fantastic. You'll see what happens with Maddi and what she gets up to between now and next month when we do some films. And I'll see you all soon.